Today we are going to see the very interesting facts about uh, what are commonly known in Goa, the marine product known as Vellyos. They are very popular, but very rare also because we don't see them in large quantities. The trawlers have to catch these, and there are big schools of these Vellyos in the Arabian Sea. And over the years, we see that these Vellyos known as white sardines, not silver bellies, are dwindling in production. And there are smaller varieties called velluta, and bigger ones are known as white sardines. These are very nice to look, and they have a silvery type of shine and ornamentation, which makes them easy to recognize. And we get during monsoon not exactly similar, but motiani, which also looks almost similar but different in taste, texture, and color. These are shetkas, or these are known as weep fin fish, locally known as shetka, and they are very tasty fish, but very rare again. You will not get them in tons. So side catch like these fish are caught. So we'll see in next video many other interesting aspects of these two types of fishes.